An STO, I want to put in Trofeo, I want to go manual. Oh.
Whoa. Oh, no, we're closing.
You just don't want to even think about how much money it costs per lap to run those carbons.
Yeah, I know.
And my friend is planning on driving a lot of track days with it when he gets some free time.
I'm stealing your airtime for a second and just confirm that my wife stated that this was one of the most, what could you say, glued car to the asphalt she ever been sitting in.
Okay, so this is lap number 4 with the new suspension, new wheels and new tyres, and it's lap number 2 with the increased front compression damping.
Ah, all right.
Right, I'm in STO, I want to put in Trofeo, and I want to go manual. Oh.
Shit. Yeah, all right. Okay. Yeah, it's good.
She's got loads of aero, you need to kind of like get used to it.
Yeah.
But in the very fast sections, this thing is just flat out, all 600 horsepower.
Yeah, I hear you and I understand my wife. She knows a bit about cars, but I didn't expect that much. I was thinking more like a GT3 touring or something, not like a RSR. This is impressive. This is bloody impressive.
You can genuinely just use 600 horsepower in so many places that you would never expect.
Shit, yeah. Oh my fucking god. Sorry for that.
No problem.
This is by far the most grippy car I've been going with on the Nordschleife, I think.
Yeah, this is Cup 2 Rs, 275s on the front, 335s on the back.
Yeah, alright. So roughly tires for 3,500 euro at least.
Yep. Pretty much.
And they last for 10 to 15 laps with this attack. Yeah, that's good.
Maybe 10 laps, I think.
Yeah. Whoa. Right. Yeah, okay. And the 205 through that.
Yeah, and that's relaxed.
Yeah,
That's relaxed.
that's shit my pants moment. Ah, cool. Yeah. Whoa. So much grip. So fantastic.
Yeah, I don't talk as much when I'm driving this car because it's quite fast and you have to concentrate quite a lot.
I know. It's all good. And I don't want to talk too much and destroy your lap, but this is...
There's no such thing as destroying a lap in this car. If a lap takes 10 minutes in this car, it's still a luxury.
Yeah, but...
It's still a dream.
Yeah, but you do stuff in turning.
You feel
the grip.
that?
Yeah. I'm not as fast as you as a driver, but still I can feel that the car have grip like Therese stated.
Yeah.
Like glue in the asphalt. And I was not expecting this type of glue.
And you just flat out on the corner
I feel
exits.
it. I feel
And
your throttle. I feel it. It's kind of in my whole body. Woo. Right? You may need to raise the car like 2 millimeters when you have a fat guy from Sweden in the passenger seat.
So I'm actually going to put some bump stops in the front. We're going to go up on the bump stops.
Jesus.
tourist entry. That's a relaxed tourist fart.
Yeah. Keep telling me that. Everyone that drives fast always say that they have more.
Yeah. I like this section in the Lambo. The Lambo really dominates here. Oh, what a shame.
Yeah, that's the Yaris thing. They're always in the way.
I know what you're saying.
The few people that follow me, everyone knows that I have a little bit of a hard time with the Yaris. And you are a Yaris fanboy.
Absolutely.
So that's one of the things that we really don't or 100% agree on. That's what I tell you.
I mean, it has half the cylinders of an M2.
Yeah,
and yeah, it's
and
twice
it's one
as
of the
good.
coolest four-wheel drive systems ever made on a normal car.
And it's clearly
but it's
twice
still
as good.
three-cylinder, and it's looked like a homemade government car for old ladies or whatever. It's oh shit, Dale. Oh, a very too early entrance in the carousel.
That's okay.
And you didn't take the Porsche line down there.
No.
Wow.
We don't need the Porsche line because it's handled
you have
better.
the grip line kind of.
Mid-engine.
Yeah, grip line. Wow. Oh, what an exit! Shit. Wow. I'm just enjoying. Thank you, mate. This is. Oh, I understand, Therese. Oh, I wish everyone on the planet of Earth. Wow, that's the expensive line. Wheel bearings. Yeah, that's good. But I wish everyone that followed Dale, like Dale, whatever, sometime in life could go with him. This guy, like I talked before in the Porsche, I've known him for close to 20 years. Even if we never hang out that much, I've always been a fanboy. But this, wow, this was cool. Oh man, no, you don't do that. That's sick. Poor dump. Oh, no, we're closing. Was it British?
No, Andorran.
Oh my. I think everyone's seen my face when I go brown. Yeah, you could drive, my friend. That's for sure.
And do you know what the lap time was?
Don't know and don't care.
No idea, because there's no lap timer in it and I don't give a shit. Because that's a fucking fun lap.
Yeah, it was. But it was a fast lap. We don't have any time, but it was fast, I can promise. Probably one of the fastest I've gone to. Great lap, and like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Yeah, if you enjoyed that lap, I mean, we're going to do some more with this car. We're actually going to switch over to Nankang tyres. Can you believe that? We're going to go CRSs.
Yeah, but they are great.
They're great tyres and they do a lot more choices of size.
Yes.
And they give you accurate measurements of the size.
They are fantastic tyres.
So really enjoyed speaking to Shane.
Me and one of the faster guys in Sweden were comparing Nankangs on our Beamers.
Yeah.
Two cars that's extremely similar. And he had Cup 2 tires, the new, or these tires, and I have the Nankang CRS, and it's just a tenth of a second maximum in difference. So,
yeah.
and the Nankang lasts what? You know, a complete track day with full attack.
Yeah, and these are going to last half a day.
Yeah, and they are
2 hours
twice
of
the
lap
price.
time. Yeah, I think people don't understand when they say like, "Oh, I'm going to order some Cup 2Rs for my car." I'm like, dude, that is a lap time tire for a manufacturer.
Yeah,
that is not a customer tire.
No. The Nankang is actually okay, if I was a multimillionaire, maybe I had like 8 wheels with me on every track days. With
and your mechanic is waiting for you in the pits to
Tony
change
is waiting.
the wheels.
Yeah, Tuka is waiting. Yeah, that's for sure.
Then it would make sense.
Yeah, absolutely. But I'm not that rich, and Tony need to drive his own car.
Yeah.
But yeah. And I guess some would love to see me shit my coat. So when Jimmy Särås shit his own pants, this is the lap to look at.
Well, I need to say thank you to my friend who shall remain nameless, but my friend who has trusted me with setting this car up for him. I hope he enjoys watching this video, because he can't be here at the moment on account of him working too hard. Wow, the suckers are not working at the moment, are they?
Okay. Oh, you take that one.
Yeah.
Good. Was it a Panda?
Yeah.
I love them.
Panda 100, the best.
Wow.
It might even be better than my Yaris, I don't know.
They are super cool. But could you really open the door on that side?
No, but I'll let you get out and then I might park again.
Okay. One last. I need a new picture for my profile kind of moment. Thank you, Dale. This was great. This was actually
Thank you.
This was worth so much more car parts. Just tell me. Thank you, mate. Ciao.
I'm coming out as well.
Okay,
Done.